Well, let me start with a personal confession of inadequacy. When I read anything that starts with post, you know, post-structuralism, postmodernism, post-anything else, my eyes glaze over. I don't understand it, you know. I mean, when I say I don't understand it, I mean, not that I don't get some kind of a feeling from it, you know. I first get a kind of a feel of what Foucault's talking about, and often not even that, but I have no cognitive understanding of it. Furthermore, so therefore I'm just evading the question for that reason. And just to continue with personal inadequacy, it's lack of understanding of a very special kind. I mean, there's lots of things I don't understand. Like, you know, I take the last issue of Physical Review, let's say, and I open it. I'm not going to understand one word of any article there. However, that's different. It's different in two respects. One respect is I know I can go over to my friend in the physics department and say, look, can you tell me what this is about at my level of, you know, foolishness and lack of knowledge? And they can do it. You know, a good physicist can tell you, yeah, it's sort of about this, you know, and skip this step, and here's the problem, and you can get to understand it. So like, say, take Roger Penrose. When he writes about quantum physics, he's skipping all kind of steps. He's not telling you what a tensor is, and, you know, all sorts of things. You can kind of understand it, you know. Now, in the case of post-X, nobody can explain it to me. I mean, you know, when somebody explains it to me, I'm just as confused as before. The other thing is that in the case of other hard things, like, say, you know, contemporary set theory or quantum theory or something, I know there's a path that I can follow to get to understand it. And in some cases where I'm particularly interested, like, say, foundations of mathematics, I've done it. You know, I'm not really good at it, but I can sort of follow it. And in this case, I wouldn't even know how to start, you know. I look at pages, and it's just, I can look at it forever, and I'd never make any progress. And nobody can help me. So it's a different kind of lack of understanding. And therefore, I'm sort of off in outer space.